Yeah, steady. Show off, bro. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. Today, we're going to be going to the M-1 Concourse Cars and Coffee. It's the last one of the year. It's going to be a banger. My boy David is coming in. He just bought a 2021 STI. We're going to go meet him because the Cruise is definitely not a show-worthy car. We're going to be rolling in with him. So I will catch you guys at the show. I like this wrap. It's purple. Oh, look at, he's wrapped like the trim forged carbon. Yeah. That looks really sick. Narrow body. I hate those. Well, this River Valley Road Rally, I think that's a rally in Wisconsin.
Oh, so they're just a sponsor.
Yeah. This thing's nice. It took me a minute to warm up to these because I didn't really like the eggshell that these kind of look like. It looks like an egg.
I've been a big fan.
But
yeah, I've been a big fan of.
A dad car.
I can see you with a baby seat in the back of one. I don't remember who, but a rapper recently got in an accident with you got the baby seat.
Yeah. I didn't even know they made a baby seat for the fun. This thing's nice. I love this color. This is like one of my favorite colors on the Civic. Got the Arizona livery. Yeah. I've never seen that before.
Well, they're cherry blossom.
I'm being sarcastic. I feel like every JDM guy does this.
Like, what?
This Hawkeye is clean. World Rally Blue with the gold. That'd be cool. I feel like someone's done that before. Keep a stock for a while. Yeah.
I promise myself that it's 10 grand more. I'm good.
Track spec Miata.
Well, I don't mind doing this. I don't just buy it.
Drift Spec M3.
Yeah, you see, he's hit a couple of things.
Dude, look at the freaking tire stretch on the rear.
Yeah, that wheel film is nice.
Yeah, I like his headlights too. He's got like the honeycomb lenses. Yeah, dude, that's nice. I like this color. It's wrapped.
The yellow?
Yeah, he's wrapped
really?
it. Yeah. You can tell right here at the where the door meets.
So it was red?
Red, yeah. This guy threw a freaking Hellcat in his Charger, or I mean 300. Dang, bro.
I like it.
I love that wrap. That's sick. This is like my favorite color on the Viper.
Yeah,
It's
It's for sale too.
This is a Gen 4. I think they call this a Gen
Dude, I
4.
love these wheels too. These wheels fit it so well.
And it came in snakeskin green, was new for the Gen 4.
Yo, is that a Supra?
I hate that I don't get that excited when I see this car anymore.
I know. I feel like that meme like ruined it. Yeah. This is 2021 because the spoiler neck comes from the top instead of the bottom. Yeah. Dude, this thing is so freaking nice. I love the new taillights too, how it like stretches across the whole rear.
I dig that. I like that.
SS, but they just rebadged it. Dude, I love this wrap.
Oh, they do the different color too.
Yeah, I know. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, I like the different colored wheels.
I had a power with
Lotus Evora. Yeah.
If I could just pick a handful of cars to drive around this track, this would be one of them.
Oh, dude, look at his like whole roof is carbon fiber, all the way down to like the wing on the back. Dang, that's nice.
Kind of like a lobster look to it.
Dang, this Cobalt is clean. Yeah,
This, instead of like mine,
his fitment is like on point.
it's got that fucking shit ass.
Yeah, that fitment's nice. Yeah, buddy. Dude, that guy's on E85. You smell that?
Funky smell.
The frick?
What kind of stuff does Hooney give me?
Dude, I like the gold with the red.
Can't go wrong with that combo.
Yeah. I like the spoiler too. I like the color though.
Yeah.
It's a cool color.
I mean, they are big. I guess they just look small. Huge truck.
I just like how the front end looks on these. Like it's so mean looking.
I really like it.
I didn't know these things had 750 horsepower.
I used to hate it. Not so much.
Thing. This thing's sitting nice.
This is that Lexus, right?
Yeah.
I mistakenly thought it was a Nissan and then something else. It was like, what is that?
What the heck? I've seen a lot of people doing this with the taillights.
Yeah, I think that started off in the drift community.
Huh.
And that made a huge pop.
Yeah. This thing is so freaking dope. Look at his headlights. He's got like a hex tint on them.
Oh. Can you hear that? That thing's far away from me. It's like,
Look at all the carbon fiber on this.
yeah. Imagine like somebody doesn't know about these cars when they go on the day, like step on it. You're literally sitting on the floor of this car.
Dude, this thing is dialed.
Like you're literally like just a couple inches off the ground in this car.
That diffuser's sweet.
Yeah, that's serious.
Little squad.
Oh, we've seen it, yeah. And like,
I'm sorry, warm up a little more in this.
Oh, you didn't like them
At
at
first,
first?
I didn't know what to think of it. I mean, it looks good and it looks cool, but you know, it's just the way the cars be going up.
Yeah,
First of all, it doesn't have you can't get a manual.
right.
I like this. Like,
Oh, it's wrapped. This car's wrapped. Yeah,
Is it real?
I think. Wait, or was that clear bra on the front?
That's clear, bro. And then you can look.
Oh yeah, it's clear bra. Yeah, the blue on blue.
Like you had your time to different things. And you just like, oh, you think like, oh, I like that one. And then you looked at this one, like, oh, that's that one. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
I mean, based on 2021
It's like color changing.
yeah.
Green to purple.
I didn't realize that.
This is a rare. This is actually a stock color.
Is
Such
it
a
really?
rare color. Yeah.
Wow, really, look at that. I just realized that.
Another manual. It's a freaking fourth manual I've seen. SS. That is so freaking crazy. That's so rare. I love this color. So cool. Nice. And this is David's new 2021 Subaru STI. Dang, look at this thing, boy. So cool.